All right, let's dive into an absolute giant of the American road, a vehicle that's so much more than just a truck. It's a part of the landscape. Today, we're breaking down the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado. To really get a sense of just how big the Silverado is, you gotta start with this number. Get this, 542,517. That's how many of these trucks were sold in the US in 2024. I mean, that makes it the second best-selling vehicle in the entire country. This isn't just a popular truck, it's a full-blown phenomenon. And a number that huge brings up a really big question, right? How in the world can a single truck be the perfect choice for a contractor and a family in the suburbs, and someone who wants to go tear it up off-road on the weekends? Well, that's the puzzle we're going to piece together.
So first things first, before we talk about anything else, a truck has to answer one simple question. Can it do the work? For the Silverado, being a tough, reliable workhorse isn't just a feature. It's its entire reason for being. It's in its DNA.
And for the standard 1500 model, doing the work means being able to tow up to 9,500 pounds. Now, that's not just some number on a piece of paper. That's the real-world ability to hook up a big trailer, or your boat, or a bed full of gear and not even break a sweat. It's pure confidence.
But you know, being capable isn't just about raw power. It's also about smarts. The Silverado's bed actually has more cargo volume than its main competitors, and it comes with more tie-downs right from the factory. Now, these might seem like small things, but trust me, if you're using this truck day in and day out, those little details are a massive deal.
Okay, but we all know that in today's world, a truck has to be way more than just a tool. It's got to be your daily driver, maybe your family car, and for a lot of people, it's basically their office on wheels. And this is where the Silverado has, frankly, transformed. You see that transformation most inside the cab. I mean, we're talking about an available 13.4-inch touchscreen that is just huge. You've got Google Voice controls baked right in, plus wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. And if you go for the high country trim, you can get Super Cruise for actual hands-free driving on the highway. That's not truck tech, that's luxury car tech right in the dash of a Silverado. Of course, all that tech doesn't mean much if the truck isn't comfortable and easy to live with. The crew cab models have enormous legroom in the back, like grown adults can actually stretch out. The buttons and knobs are big and chunky, so you can use them with work gloves on. They even have this clever split heating feature for the front seats. And for anyone with kids, you'll find car seat anchors in every single back seat. Super practical.
Now let's keep it real. The source material we're looking at makes it clear it's not absolutely perfect. The interior is a huge step up from what it used to be, and it's definitely built to last. But some of the plastics and finishes are described as feeling sturdy, but maybe looking a little, well, cheap, especially when you put it side by side with some of its rivals.
Okay, so work truck. Check. Mobile office and family hauler. Check. But what about the person who just wants to get away from it all? The weekend warrior. Let's talk about how the Silverado turns into a serious adventure machine. What's cool here is that Chevy basically lets you pick your own level of adventure. Think of it like a ladder. You can start with standard four-wheel drive, which is great for dirt roads. Then you can step up to the Z71 package for more serious trail riding. After that, the Trail Boss trim gives you a factory lift and a huge jump-in capability. And at the very, very top, you have the ZR2, a beast of a machine that's built to handle almost anything you can throw at it straight from the factory. So you've got a workhorse, a high-tech office, and an off-road beast, all under the same Silverado name. How does Chevy make that work for so many different people with so many different budgets? Well, the last piece of this whole puzzle is the price. And here's the secret to its massive success. The price range is huge. You can get into a no-frills work truck for around 42 grand. Or you can climb all the way up the ladder to that incredible off-road ZR2, which will set you back around $70,000. That massive spectrum means there's a Silverado for almost any job and any wallet. And that's exactly how it brings in so many buyers. So what's the one thing you're getting no matter which one you choose? This is a big one. It's a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA. I mean, whether you're buying one truck for your business or a whole fleet, or you're a parent loading your kids in the back, that top-tier safety rating is a huge,
non-negotiable piece of value. So here's where it all lands. The Silverado isn't always the fanciest truck inside, and as some sources point out, it can sometimes cost more than its rivals without necessarily giving you more stuff. Its success really comes from being this tough, proven, and endlessly customizable platform. Which leaves us with one final question. In a market that's packed with amazing trucks, is that classic, do-it-all appeal the thing that really matters the most?